Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lucky English for Beginners. I'm Sonia.
And I'm Ali. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Before we start, a quick reminder. If you enjoy learning English through real conversations and useful phrases, please hit the like button on this episode right now.
Yes, and subscribe to Lucky English for Beginners. When you subscribe, you are not only supporting us, you are helping your own English become more natural every day.
Today's episode is very special and fun.
It really is. One of our listeners asked us to cover everyday idioms, the kind native speakers use all the time.
And if that is you listening right now, yes, we know you are here. Thank you so much for the request.
We love when you tell us what you want to learn. This podcast is yours too.
So today, we're going to look at 50 common English idioms. I'll ask about each one, and Ali will explain what it means, how to use it, and give a real-life example.
No boring lists, no heavy explanations, just natural conversation.
By the end, you will know 50 idioms you can start using right away.
Not perfectly, but enough to sound more natural.
And sounding natural matters more than being perfect.
Always. Okay, let's start very gently.
Slow and easy. Ready, Ali?
Ready. Go ahead.
Idiom number 1. What does break the ice mean?
Break the ice means to do or say something to make people feel more comfortable when they first meet or when a situation feels awkward.
Nice. Example?
At a new class, I told a small joke to break the ice. After that, everyone started talking.
Idiom 2. Piece of cake.
Piece of cake means something is very easy to do.
Example?
The exam was a piece of cake. I finished in 20 minutes.
Idiom 3. Hit the nail on the head.
It means to describe something exactly right or to guess correctly.
Example?
When you said the traffic is worse because of construction, you hit the nail on the head.
Idiom 4. Bite the bullet.
It means to decide to do something difficult or unpleasant that you have been avoiding.
Example?
I didn't want to talk to my boss about the mistake, but I had to bite the bullet and tell him.
Idiom 5. Under the weather.
Under the weather means feeling a little sick or not well.
Example?
I'm not coming to the party tonight. I'm feeling under the weather.
Idiom 6. Spill the beans.
Spill the beans means to tell a secret or reveal information that was supposed to stay hidden.
Example?
Come on, spill the beans. Who is your secret crush?
Idiom 7. Cost an arm and a leg.
It means something is very expensive.
Example?
That new phone costs an arm and a leg. I can't afford it.
Idiom 8. Let the cat out of the bag.
Let the cat out of the bag means to accidentally reveal a secret.
Example?
I asked about the surprise party. I let the cat out of the bag without meaning to.
Idiom 9. Kick the bucket.
Kick the bucket is a humorous way to say someone died.
Example?
My old car finally kicked the bucket after 15 years.
Idiom 10. Burn the midnight oil.
Burn the midnight oil means to work or study very late into the night.
Example?
I have an exam tomorrow, so I've been burning the midnight oil all week.
Idiom 11. Barking up the wrong tree.
It means to make a wrong assumption or ask the wrong person.
Example?
If you think I ate your biryani, you're barking up the wrong tree. It was my brother.
Idiom 12. Beat around the bush.
Beat around the bush means to avoid saying something directly.
Example?
Stop beating around the bush. Just tell me if you like the gift or not.
Idiom 13. The ball is in your court.
It means it is your turn to make a decision or take action.
Example?
I sent you the proposal. Now the ball is in your court.
Idiom 14. Cut to the chase.
Cut to the chase means to get to the main point quickly.
Example?
We don't have much time. Let's cut to the chase and talk about the price.
Idiom 15. Once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon means very rarely.
Example?
I eat fast food once in a blue moon. Mostly I cook at home.
Idiom 16. Out of the blue.
Out of the blue means suddenly and unexpectedly.
Example.
She called me out of the blue after 5 years of no contact.
Idiom 17. Rule of thumb.
Rule of thumb means a general practical rule based on experience.
Example.
As a rule of thumb, add 1 teaspoon of salt per liter of water when boiling rice.
Idiom 18. See eye to eye.
See eye to eye means to agree completely with someone.
Example.
We don't always see eye to eye on politics, but we respect each other.
Idiom 19. Sit on the fence.
Sit on the fence means to avoid making a decision or taking sides.
Example.
Stop sitting on the fence. Do you want tea or coffee?
Idiom 20. Take it with a grain of salt.
It means to not believe something completely because it might not be fully true.
Example.
He says he can finish the project in 1 day. Take it with a grain of salt.
Idiom 21. The early bird catches the worm.
It means the person who starts early has the best chance to succeed.
Example.
I arrived at 7 a.m. for the sale. The early bird catches the worm.
Idiom 22. When pigs fly.
When pigs fly means something that will never happen.
Example.
He will clean his room without being asked when pigs fly.
Idiom 23. A dime a dozen.
It means something is very common and not special or valuable.
Example.
Those cheap phone cases are a dime a dozen at the market.
Idiom 24. Cry over spilled milk.
Cry over spilled milk means to be upset about something that cannot be changed.
Example.
The order got canceled. No point in crying over spilled milk.
Idiom 25. Every cloud has a silver lining.
It means there is something good even in a bad situation.
Example.
I lost my job, but every cloud has a silver lining. Now I have time to start my own business.
Idiom 26. Hit the books.
Hit the books means to start studying hard.
Example.
Exams start next week. Time to hit the books.
Idiom 27. Jump on the bandwagon.
It means to join an activity or trend that has become popular.
Example.
Everyone is buying that new phone. I guess I'll jump on the bandwagon too.
Idiom 28. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
It means to solve 2 problems with 1 action.
Example.
I went to the market and met my friend there. Killed 2 birds with 1 stone.
Idiom 29. Let sleeping dogs lie.
It means to avoid bringing up an old problem that could cause trouble.
Example.
We argued last year. Better to let sleeping dogs lie now.
Idiom 30. Miss the boat.
Miss the boat means to lose an opportunity by being too late.
Example.
I wanted to buy tickets for the concert, but I missed the boat. They sold out.
Idiom 31. On cloud 9.
On cloud 9 means extremely happy.
Example.
She got accepted to her dream university. She's on cloud 9.
Idiom 32. Over the moon.
Over the moon means very happy and excited.
Example.
When my sister had her baby, I was over the moon.
Idiom 33. Pull someone's leg.
Pull someone's leg means to joke or tease someone.
Example.
I thought you were serious about moving to Karachi. You were pulling my leg.
Idiom 34. Rain cats and dogs.
It means to rain very heavily.
Example.
We wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining cats and dogs.
Idiom 35. Read between the lines.
It means to understand the hidden meaning behind what someone says.
Example.
She said, I'm fine, but if you read between the lines, she sounded upset.
Idiom 36. Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil means the person you were just talking about suddenly appears.
Example.
We were just talking about you. Speak of the devil.
Idiom 37. Steal someone's thunder.
It means to take attention away from someone else's achievement.
Example.
I was going to announce my promotion, but he stole my thunder by telling everyone first.
Idiom 38. Throw in the towel.
Throw in the towel means to give up.
Example.
After 3 failed attempts, I threw in the towel and bought a new printer.
Idiom 39. Under your nose.
It means something is very close or obvious, but you didn't notice it.
Example.
Your glasses were under your nose the whole time.
Idiom 40. Up in the air.
Up in the air means something is uncertain or not decided yet.
Example.
Our holiday plans are still up in the air. We haven't booked anything.
Idiom 41. When hell freezes.
It means never. Something will never happen.
Example.
He will apologize to her when hell freezes.
Idiom 42. Wrap